guys, it's Kaylin
and Gabby,
and today we're going to be going to Family Dollar to run some errands to get some nails because
and some maybe upcoming video stuff. We're not really sure yet.
yeah, maybe some like a tripod or something. But we're going to be doing that. So here's Gabby. Oh, you want me to hold it?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going. Oh my gosh!
Right now,
So clumsy.
as we speak.
Kaylin just like cut it short. I'll go this side. So it's very sunny out. It's a very nice day out too.
Yes.
I like my hair on this side. Very nice day out. And the past few days have actually been kind of chilly. So yeah, they've actually been like really chilly.
You need to get back on.
Yeah, no. They've been like really chilly. Yeah, and then finally today it got really hot out. Like this morning, it was like 40 something today.
In the morning, and now right now it's like 73.
I don't know.
It's like 73 degrees.
I don't know. Probably. So we're gonna go to Dollar General. No, Family Dollar. No, Dollar General. Can we go to Dollar
Whatever
General?
one's closer.
Oh, that's Family Dollar, but Dollar General has the acrylic nail stuff. I don't think Family Dollar
No,
does.
Family Dollar does.
It does? Okay.
Yeah.
So
We're gonna get these fingers done.
I got if we
Clothes.
get gel, then
Like already made ones. We should do already made ones.
yeah, but I can't get any colored ones
Why not?
for my dance.
Oh, so you're gonna get white?
Yeah. Do you shave your arms?
No.
Okay.
Shave my leggies. Oh crap! I got grass in there. It's gonna kill me.
Are you having a poll as to who shaves their arms?
No. We should do Instagram followers decide my life for a day.
Yeah, we'll do that in our next video. Actually, we should just do it now because we already took the polls. So it said go to Dollar General or Family Dollar. And we're going to Family Dollar. Because that's what I voted it was. Let me look it up on my phone. Oh crap, I thought I didn't bring it. Okay. 75% Family Dollar and 35% Dollar General.
Dollar General.
So we're going to Family Dollar. Yeah. And a lot of you asked in our last video if we're sisters. Not quite. We go by sisters because we're best friends, but not blood sisters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sisters from another mother.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sister from another mother.
Friends by what is it? Sisters by choice. Friends.
No, it's sisters.
Sisters.
Wait, friends by blood, sisters by choice. When it's actually supposed to be the other way around, but yeah, I have no common sense in any of that kind of stuff.
Look at that. That's cute. I like the one YouTuber, and you guys should really go check out Adeline Morn. I love
her.
Yes.
Do you watch Riverdale? You're missing out on a lot. So we're here at Family Dollar.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna record at Family Dollar since you recorded all the way here.
It's not that long, but okay. But oh my gosh, look at her. Phew, it's really awkward because we live in Pennsylvania.
100, and she has purple hair.
Okay, so what did you hear, Mom? She's like, she's 100 and she's like purple. It's kind of awkward to film in public here because
We live in PA.
yeah, and we don't live in LA, so it's really awkward because people are like, what the heck are they doing?
Yeah.
You might need a little dance. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, well, let's do this.
Can I stay out here and have a cigarette?
Yeah.
Here. There's like
Oh my god. Okay, guys, we're in Family Dollar. Jesus, my foot. Help! Somebody help! Okay. Oh god. We're running. We're on the move. We're on the move. What's going? Oh! Hi, Mister. Look how cute this is. Where are we? What are we looking for again? Oh yeah, nails. Come this way. They're this way. This way. There's hair dye. Down here, the nail somewhere. Medicine. Nails and nails and nails. Here's some nails. Ooh. Look at them boys. Oh, look at these.
Yeah, but I have to have them natural, like, for dance.
Natural? Silver chrome ones. I have these at my house. I might get these. Or these.
Oh, they have more back. Look how cool this pink one is.
Oh my gosh. See, there's acrylic kits, but we're not going to get acrylic. Oh, these are pretty. They're matte. I really like those.
They're $6.
They're $5.
No, 6.
No, I'm talking about that.
Let's go look at this one thing I saw.
Gabby, we don't have a lot of time. Yeah, they have those here. I'm looking at the nails.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
I think I'm going to get these. Yeah, I'm going to get these. They're matte.
I might get.
What are you looking at? We should just have like a shopping spree. They have the peach palette in here. That's... Guys, we found the peach palette in Family Dollar. This is insane. Let's go back here and see if they have squishies. Y'all know what it is. Woo! Okay, I just terrified myself. Sorry, I popped out. So, you already know what it is. Slime. It's a dinosaur and slime. It's only $2. They have barf. Do they have squishies? They don't have squishies. This place is lame.
I thought they
What
did.
places have squishies? I thought they did too. Feeling's belly. It's a Hulk. Okay, so I think we're done.
Wait,
Did you pick out nails yet, Gabby?
no.
We'll go pick out nails.
These are like gold right there.
Glue. They have
Gold.
so many notebooks. Model Magic. Okay, we need to
I
go
wanna show
get
you something.
Gabby some nails and
For
then
upcoming videos, this would be so cute.
upcoming videos.
This could be I saw this earlier. Oh, right here.
Hurry.
A background that's beach.
Let's get it.
We should do a picture shoot.
Yes.
Okay, so this is one.
Okay, so
wait,
we just need to go get you nails.
wait, and we can have like these. Wait, what are these?
No, those are skirts. Let's go get
Yeah,
nails.
we can have a-
We need to get you nails, Gabby. I'm gonna go pick you out nails. I'm gonna pick this woman out nails because she doesn't know how to do it. Obviously not. We need to get home and do this. She needs something natural. Okay, I'm gonna get her these Pixie chrome ones. Hope she likes them. I think they're semi-cute. Here, I got you these LA Colors chrome ones. Okay, let's go check out.
Wait,
Let's go, Gabby.
let's.
We gotta go. I have to leave. Let's go. Come on. Get some more stuff. Oh my gosh, what are we doing in public like this? I want to go sit in shame now. They also have like concealer sticks.
I already got the concealer stick.
Hi, how you doing? You let her in the bathroom, Jenny. No?
Wait,
Jenny said she's not letting you in.
What?
She's mean like that.
I don't want them. Okay. What do you want then?
I don't think I'm gonna have enough money.
It's gonna be $8.48.
Oh, then you, wait. How much? I'm gonna go see how much these are. $12. How many? How much does she have there? How much does she have there? Okay, obviously you can't. We can just share those purple ones.
All right, 52 cents. You want this? You two
Thank
have a
you.
good day.
Okay, we're done. Yep, speed run. We also bought something for our video. It's a background and then some slime for our next video.
That guy probably thought we were.
That guy probably thought we were retarded.
Yeah, because like,
We were running through there like
Yeah.
freaking maniacs.
and then like.
You're recording on the way home.
Okay. And then he we tripped on the way in and started like laughing out loud.
Tripped.
Yes, I like stepped on her heel
and then like she like tumbled forward, and then I fell forward.
Those little boys are waving. Wave to those little boys in the car next to us.
Here, let me put down my window. Who is that? I don't know who that is.
Me neither, but I'm gonna wait anyway.
I don't know him. See, this is, and we could do a photo shoot.
Yeah, so guys, we got this.
And you could wear some of
Backdrop.
my bathing suits, because I have a whole bunch of bathing suits.
That's not sanitary.
Why?
But
Oh.
but we got that.
We can put on shorts though,
Yeah.
and we can wear the tops.
And then we got dino ooze.
Oh.
It's slime with a toy
We got
dino
this.
inside.
We got this little thing.
And then I got nails. Gabby didn't want nails, which is the whole purpose we came here for. But,
we didn't have enough money.
yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
How much was the thing?
It was only $4.
Yeah, but it was already $9.
No, it was 8.
8.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, but that's all I had.
You only had $12.
No, I didn't have 12. I
You
had
can just use
10.
these two.
Okay.
They're matte periwinkle ones, and I think they're freaking beautiful. But
Oh my goodness gracious.
but yeah, that's what we got.
So we're gonna have the photo shoot when we go home.
Well,
first
we're gonna do our nails.
I
They'll-
can't.
What you gonna eat?
I have a parade to go to tonight. But we're gonna do our nails.
Well, first we're gonna eat.
Well, I'll do my nails while you eat.
Why aren't you gonna eat? I'm starving.
And then we're gonna review this dino stuff and then we're gonna have a photo shoot.
Yeah. Yeah, I got like a jet right there, and it's really disturbing. It's gonna stay like this. Yeah. One thing I like about we're recording on my mom's phone because we don't have a camera. Well, we do, but like we don't know where the charger is. So
Yeah.
And so we're on my mom's phone, and I like about my mom's phone is when you're in good lighting, it like makes like a beauty effect on your face, and it's really cool.
I'm excited for this slime. Are we gonna like split it in half?
Yeah.
But we got the Tyrannosaurus. Or Triceratops, whoops. I don't know my dinosaurs. I'm not a geek. I make sure no one texts me. If not, I'll be dead. Yep, okay. It's only 11:27. My aunt didn't even get off work yet.
What time she got up?
12:30.
Who's getting you?
My aunt.
Oh, your aunt.
Does she know where you live? Where you
I
live?
think I gave her the address. Frick. I don't know. Maybe it'll take longer. That's a good thing. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna get out and we're gonna go
Inside and eat lunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of.
No, we gotta still do this.
Yeah, but that's gonna be a long video, Caitlin.
It's gonna be a vlog. It'll just be going up there. My butt crack's hanging out. Nobody look.
Shut up! You're like scream that, Caitlin. Okay. So
Anybody home? Ah! It hurts to open.
it's hard. Yes, we're gonna you just like take off walking while you take off your flip flops. Okay, so she's gonna do her nails while I eat because I'm starving. I had no nails, Will. Yeah. Oh wait, these are already sticky. And we're going. So she's gonna eat salad. Salad? I'm eating pizza.
Oh my god, that sounds good. But here's the prep pad. So these are Kiss nails. I love Kiss nails. That's the only nails I use. Are Kiss nails. All the other ones are Hobo nails.
Let me feel it. Okay, what is this for?
It's a blow tube. You can blow bubbles in this.
Oh, okay. Did you ever get it before? Did you get this before?
No, it just says on the packaging.
Oh.
That's why you learn to read.
I don't even know.
She doesn't know how to read.
Yes, I do.
Okay, let me feel it. I'm feeling this first. It's so clear.
Take it out.
So we're gonna split it in half.
This is seriously like, oh, no, it isn't.
It's not the stretchiest, but
Look
so
at
I'll
that.
get this half.
Stretch it like slow.
Do you want this dinosaur?
Yeah.
I don't want it.
You got more than me.
No, I don't. You have more than me. Oh, now you're quiet.
If
If you get
me a chance. This is actually, guys, this is like really good slime. Except for the stretch factor,
Yeah, but if you actually stretch it slow, it stretches. And this is like actually really clear. Can I have the container?
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna put these nails on.
And I'm gonna eat. Because we're having pizza. But, like, this is like the bomb slime. Like, it actually is. Because, like, I know some slimes you buy at the store, like, are like,
Sure you don't want a piece of pizza?
are like icky.
What'd you eat?
I do. I indulge.
Why do I need a fork?
Well, I don't know. It seems a little stringy, the cheese.
It's hot.
No big dip.
Okay.
Crap, I forgot to use the prep pad on this nail. Oh well.
Aren't you gonna take off your nail polish?
Why not? Prepping pad. Gotta be gentle with these. Just gotta be gentle with these.
Why?
So they don't break.
That smells.
Oh, it does. It smells like alcohol.
No, that's what the prep pad is. It's an alcohol pad.
Oh crap, I just bent this nail.
Oh, that shouldn't have had a dinosaur in it. That should have had a fish in it. Looks like water.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Jeez, you're chewing really loud over there, Gabby Hay. Oh crap, I just exposed. Crap. That's not her actual last name. Just saying. It sounds like Hay, but it's not actually Hay.
I just exposed.
It's Haynes. Ha ha! Exposed.
This is gonna take a long time to upload. I'm sorry about that, people.
This is gonna be our longest vlog we've ever posted. Because it's our only vlog we've ever posted. These look weird.
They look big.
They don't look big, they blow up. Okay. Time for the ring.
Why don't you use these?
Good idea. Good idea, Gabby Haynes.
Sometimes in school she calls me Hay. Because it's short for Haynes.
I don't know why we're discussing your last name.
I don't know. You brought it up.
This pinky nail is so long. Well, it's not long. Oh my. Never mind. The gel just goes on forever. Is that a nail? Okay, no, it isn't. Oh, this is not a pinky finger. I have difficulty doing this stuff. I'm gonna run out of nails.
I wonder if you heard back from Stephanie.
That's my mom's name.
Is that your mom's name?
Okay, and time for the middle finger. Middle fingers up. Tell him boy bye. Sorry. I Google every breakup song whenever I get over a breakup. No, I'm just kidding. That's weird. In a way.
Hopefully nobody we know watches these vlogs.
Yeah, that'd be awkward.
Yeah.
Real awkward.
Like people from our school.
That'd be really awkward.
Except for Sage.
It's awkward. I don't like Sage.
Which one do you think's nicer?
The bottom one.
The bottom one?
Top one.
What?
More
You're different,
romantic.
don't you?
No, more romantic.
Romantic.
No, I think actually the bottom one's nicer too. I think Alex has a better smile now.
Wait, let me see Alex's smile.
He has a
Yeah,
better
the bottom
smile,
one.
and I like how he's like holding on to her hips. Not in a weird way though. Like,
We'll keep that one. I'll give the other one to Stephanie.
I might like die.
you know, you're gonna be. The whole world will be able to see you talking. What if Stephanie watches this? I don't even know who this Stephanie kid is.
It's not a kid.
An adult? Really?
And she's not cool. She won't watch it.
Okay. I'm gonna go hide. I don't know. I get really anxious really quick. I'm a dirk. I forgot to prep all these other fingers. Great.
Did you lose one of these?
What's that?
Is it your earring?
Oh.
Is that the one you lost one of?
I don't know.
Well, I only found one on the table.
I don't know if I lost it. No!
See if it makes your food taste weird.
No! Wait, no. Wait. No!
It does. I can taste it when I chew like that. But who chews like that? To be totally honest, like I'm strange.
That smells like doctor office right there.
It does.
I
I
hate
like the
it.
nurse. I hate the nurse. She is so.
No, she isn't.
What kind of planet do you live on that she is nice? Maybe freaking Mars, where she's an alien.
I
Mrs. Ritchie. Don't you like her?
No,
Aww.
she's so mean.
Mrs. Ritchie.
in kindergarten, I used to go up to her every day.
Me too. So I can get the Toms because they taste good.
Ugh.
They taste really good. I love Toms.
You're awkward.
Yeah. I know.
I went up there for a stupid excuse.
I need an excuse.
Well, your brother Alex
Pee on.
used to go to the old nurse that retired.
She was old? She was old. My mom had her.
Oh, she wasn't old, Mrs. Stutzman. He used to go every day for, oh gosh, it seemed like years. And he'd say, "That's my friend."
I only went in kindergarten.
You still go a lot
Hey.
of times.
Maybe Kayla wants a drink?
You want her? No.
And is that your drink sitting there?
It's done.
What do you mean I still go a lot of times? No, I don't. I go like once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon? We never had a blue moon.
Yeah, do you know what a blue moon is?
A cow.
Mm-mm.
A type of ice
A
cream.
blue moon
It's a
is
beer.
2 full moons in 1 month. It's when 2 full moons occur in 1 month. The second one's called a blue moon.
Did we ever have that?
Sit right down. Now let educate you.
Mm-hmm.
I had to sing that. I just had to.
Is there gonna be enough for me?
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's still like 12 left. Maybe 14. Maybe 17. Maybe 25. You never know.
It only comes in 24.
Your sarcasm is so ridiculous.
No, not as bad as Aiden's.
Oh my god, I do not like him, and he is like obsessed with me.
Aiden is such an idiot.
Aiden.
Aiden.
Cypher.
He.
Oh.
Crap, we're exposing so many things. We'll just edit it out. We'll just edit out the last one.
He is like. So these are what they look like.
I think they turned out actually pretty good.
So
I like the Matt look.
mhm.
My cousin's name's Matt.
when like we'll say something, he'll start.
Oh, that drives me through a wall.
And he's in your grade.
Yeah.
I sit beside him in science class.
Not no more. I sit beside Mercy. I don't sit by you.
Where do I sit?
I'm not sure.
Don't pay attention.
Actually, you won't be back in that classroom.
Oh, true. That's kind of sad.
So no
I hope
one,
Middle schoolers, dude.
no one sits where they do.
Unless they get held back.
That'd be Aiden. Your sarcasm is too disgusting that you need to stay back here.
It's just disturbing.
It's disgusting.
Um,
Okay, so these are the nails you can use. There's like still like
marker
18.
teeth are right there. Ew.
I didn't use like 10, so.
Are you going back to school in the fall? Are you going to go to 5th grade?
I'm so ready. Are you going to join band? Quiet chorus?
I think you have to join chorus.
You do?
Yeah, that's like
Mhm.
that's forced upon you by Mrs.
Because the
Spears.
boys had to be in 5th and 6th grade. I think you have to.
Dang it. Ugh.
So we're gonna have to go to drum chorus practice and miss everything in the evenings. It's gonna suck.
So actually, you get out of class.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I love chorus now.
Yeah.
I don't know that you get out of
I
class.
think.
I think it's during that
Recess.
ASAP.
period. Yeah.
No. What slime is this? Wait, is this my slime?
Oh my god, I'm dying. No, that's mine. My cinnamon slime. That little bit?
That I made.
Yeah.
So it is mine. It feels
It's mine now.
waterier. It doesn't feel as thick. Probably because it's a little bit.
Let me educate you. Can I have this slime? I've always wanted a tan slime.
Yeah.
Yay! I love your slime. I've always wanted a tan slime. Like, I don't know why. I just, like, love the aesthetic. It's so aesthetic.
It was actually a light pink.
It's so aesthetically pleasing. It has a lot of glitter confetti in it. Slime is so aesthetically pleasing. What does even that mean?
I don't know.
I don't know why I keep saying it.
I don't know.
I think it means, like, nice to look at. That
Oh,
also
I got
means
a little-
satisfying.
Thing in there. Oh, I gotta show her something. Okay. Sorry we're so boring, guys.
These smell good. This smells like fruit. Like, it literally smells like fruit.
Goals right here.
Goals.
Goals. I'm gonna be an Instagram person when slime. They have like those charms on the top.
This is gold. It smells like fruit. Oh my
Okay, we're gonna go to our main channel.
You didn't eat.
I'm done.
You said you were starving. So right now we're gonna. What were we gonna do?
We're going to end this vlog because it's your prize.
It's 27 minutes, so that'll take approximately 3 hours to upload.
Oh
So
my
we-
god.
We'll talk. No, maybe not that long.